What's going on, guys? It's your boy Z-Ham, and today we are going to be installing a front lip on not my 350Z but Ryan's. And we're about to jack it up. He just took off the front plate, and there's the lip over here. Okay, so right after we jacked up the car, Ryan found a baby bird inside of here.
Meter sticks, bro.
Somewhere. There's a baby bird in there that's obviously dead, and he's trying to find a way to take it out.
It's like chopsticks, bro.
Basically massive chopsticks getting a baby bird out of this. Oh my goodness. That's disgusting.
Dude, this is awful.
No. Oh. No. No.
I don't know. Hey.
Rest in peace, brother. Oh, yeah, just kind of like jumped out.
Yeah.
Oh!
No.
First screw is right here on the side, and you can't see it. Lovely.
I made the pre-hole. There we go, starting to feed in. In.
Alright, so a quick update for you guys. The hardware included did not work well at all, so we used our own screws, a little bit bigger, and we drilled our own holes and everything. And right now the polyurethane was like kind of bowing a bit, so so we're using a hair dryer to heat it up and kind of bend it back, because polyurethane is very bendable, especially when it's under heat. For those wondering, I just bought this big pack of self-drilling screws and used those right there. Aside from the somewhat wacky screw count we got going here, the front lip looks really good. I think we're just gonna call it a day right there. That's a solid install right there. It's more of a DIY than anything, so if you're gonna buy this splitter, expect a difficult install, not a fun one.